using the Kaiser to open this up. The Kaiser, I think U102 or something like that. Oh wow. Thank you, you two. You sent me a lot of stuff. Oh, there's those fasteners, Miller. Got me some, buddy. Woo! Got some of those. There's 4. Look at the large ones. Oh man, some 5/16 of an inch thick. Ooh, by 6 inch. Those are nice. And then we got a couple of these. Oh wow, these look nice. 5/16 of an inch by 3 inch by 1/8 inch. Ah, it's 1/8 inch thick for the 5/16. Okay. That's the head size. Yeah. 10 by 3.5. Okay. But yeah, I sent a bunch of stuff. It was a 4-pound package. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts to this. Thank you guys. I'll let you know how they work out. We'll make some more videos.